Hello, right here what I'm doing is I'm making a device. I'm going to try some video that I saw on YouTube on how to lift up the water well assembly. It's just going to slip over the pipe and then bind with it and try to lift it straight up. And what I got here is a mechanical bolted clip U-bolt to bind the steel cable. I got a single stopper here, to help in case it just starts to slip some. And then I got one more dual Snag-It set right here and one more U-clip, and I'm gonna show this is the Swage-It Tool. It's just got a couple of bolts. It's machined to the size of the dimensions. This one can fit on 1/8, 3/32, and 1/16. So I'm gonna just demonstrate how this tool and it's not too bad once you start to get a little centered and right where you want it. There we go, right there. And just do it evenly. This one just needs a little bit more. Let's see how it's still sliding. Once it stops sliding, it's starting to bind. There it is, it's starting to not slide at all. And just go ahead and give it however many turns evenly. I wouldn't go too uneven because then you'll start tearing the threads on the other bolt as a binding point. Keep it even. This tool should last a long time and you shouldn't tear the threads in the whole assembly. The top piece is just a solid drilled hole through to slit the bolts through. The bottom piece has got the threading in each hole. And as you can tell, you want to put both of the bolts on each side to squeeze down on the area you're focusing. And they got holes where you can be on both sides of where you use the Swage-It tool to crimp onto a steel cable. Now it's starting to get too hard. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. So I'll have me 4 areas to pinch on this cable to try to keep it from slipping all the way through. It should be able to withstand the weight, about roughly 200 pounds. That's what I'm guessing the whole water well assembly pipeline system with the water well pump. That's what I'm guessing it weighs about. So I still haven't gotten my threader tool today, but I'm gonna go try to crank my tractor up and see if I can drop this in and slip it over the pipe and have it ready. So that's not going anywhere. Alright, so right there kind of shows about how close the 2 plates are together, and it gives you an idea So basically the pipe will slip through here, and then it'll bind and pull the whole system up, kind of like this. It's gonna bind on it and pull it up. Of course, you know, this is just an example. Once all the weight is applied, it should bind. This is a 1.25 inch electrical conduit mounting circuit breaker plate. So I'm going to give it a shot and see how well that works for the technique. So I'm going to take off the Swage-It Tool and let y'all get a visual of it. And when you unbolting this, for the first moments, just do it a little slightly even, and then they should be easy to do it. Mainly can take one bolt out, and what I did was just tap on the top of that. As you can tell, the metal clip is stuck to the tool, so you just got there we go. Now look at that. And that's what it leaves. I always wondered how they were getting those crimps. So now I know how they're putting those metal clips on the steel cables. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's called a Swage-It Tool. I'm not seeing a website on it, but I'm pretty sure they're pretty popular. So, Swage-It Tool, and I deal with the instructions. Alright, I really like this new tool. And you use these dual clips, and you can use the single stopper ones. So, depending on the size of your cable. I like that. That's pretty cool. That's a neat tool. Swage-It. Let's see if I can lasso swag that pipe out of the water well assembly. I'll have a great one.